No one produces more trash in the world than the average American. We toss out 4 to 5 pounds of garbage each day. Now, in a month, that means that each person is throwing away a minimum of 120 pounds of waste, which is equivalent to the weight of a full-sized bet. Problem is, waste doesn't just go away. Most of it stays around for a real long time. How many products do you own that need batteries in order to function? Well, each year, billions of used batteries are thrown away and end up in landfills. But did you know that each battery takes about 100 years to decompose?
Here are a few facts on very common items that you might be familiar with. It takes a plastic bottle about 700 years before it starts to decompose. Disposable diapers, which are used by almost all parents today, take 500 to 600 years to decompose. Plastic bags takes 500 years, and if you think that's a long time, glass takes 1,000,000 years to decompose. Where does all this waste usually end up? Well, a lot of it ends up in local landfills.
This is how a modern landfill works. First, the trash you dispose of into your trash bin is transported to your nearest landfill. Then it is dumped into a deep pit that is covered with 2 liners that make sure the nasty liquids that come from your trash don't get into the soil.
Once all the trash has been thrown into the landfill, trucks cover it up with a thick layer of dirt to prevent the trash from blowing away. Over time, that buried trash will start producing toxic liquids and gases that are very bad for both our water and our air. We interviewed local Boulderites around campus on their thoughts about waste.
Trash. It's everywhere sometimes. And I guess there's good trash and bad trash. There's trash that you can recycle, and there's trash that, needs to go to a landfill.
Do you know where I go? Where it goes?
To a landfill.
Every week I roll my garbage can out to the street, and I don't know, there's probably 2 or 3 trash bags inside the garbage can.
Big, trash bin full a month.
Bottles, cans, plastic, everything that I can. I think they're bad, but I'm not really sure what else they can do besides incinerating the trash, which isn't good either.
It's just where they throw all the trash.
Places that are dug out in the ground that people put trash into.
Landfills are places where trash goes that can't be recycled or composted, and it just sits there forever, magically disappears.
Big holes in the ground, or they don't necessarily have to be.
Big landfills are huge. 10 football fields.
Huge. Probably a small town could fit in the area that a landfill takes up. I'm not sure what the great solution is.
Probably other ways that would be more.
We're just burying the trash so we don't have to deal with it, I guess.